Hello everyone, so in today's video we're going to talk about the rise in Autoart prices, and we're going to check out the two supercars from Porsche. We have the Carrera GT that Autoart launched in 2007-2008, and I paid 60 euros for this, and the Porsche 918 Spyder, which Autoart launched in 2017, and now it's costing around 250 euros. So let's start with the Carrera GT. First, this model is made out of metal. We have the T-tops here, which I'm gonna remove to not damage them, and I'm sure they are black and with some carbon fiber pattern underneath them. Also, they have here is the magnet, this little one. For it. Let me put them on the side. So, as I said, it's made out of metal. We have quite a few nice details here. Also the headlight washer here, very nicely done. We have the badge here, that is, I think, photo etched. We have not very much details here, sadly, and no carbon fiber pattern anywhere. Next, we have the wheels, very nicely done. I think mine has a problem with the badge here, it got removed, but otherwise it looks very good. We have the brake caliper here with the Porsche logo. Also, the brake disc looks very good. The ball nut, it's painted pink on this side and blue on this side, as the 918 does as well. Next, we have the wing mirror, that looks very good as well. A few details on the door. The back wheels as well. I didn't mention directional and also push suspension on all wheels. In the back we have the stop lights that are very nicely done for this model and this year. Also the exhausts. Mine is sadly missing the line on the T. The logo is photo etched, so it gets, if you wipe the car, it gets ripped. Next, let's check out the storage compartment. So we have this leather braces that are used to hold down the T-tops, so you can store them here. The material looks very good in the storage compartment, not very detailed. Sadly, we have these dogleg hinges here, but not very much detail in the storage compartment. Next, we have the interior. No dogleg hinges on the doors. That's a plus. We have a few details here. Also the steering wheel works. No carpet, but I don't think the rear car has carpet. Also we have this carbon fiber pattern here on the monocoque chassis. We have the pedals there. Let me see if I can focus better. Also, I think a good amount of details for this model. Next, we have the engine compartment. See if I can open it. Here we have a lot of details. We have the Porsche logo on the engine. Also, this part is carbon fiber. We'll have a lot of details in the engine compartment. This grill is also perforated, this one as well, and it's metal. Next we have the wing. So the wing works as for the other model as well. So quite a few amount of details for this model, and it's very sturdy. It doesn't rattle, and you, when you take it out in your hand. Next, let's check out the 918, which immediately it's half the weight. Also is quicks every time you put your hand on the body. It's seems very fragile. I'm gonna remove also the T-tops. These one are in carbon fiber pattern. They look very good, but not much detail underneath. Take this one as well. Next, Autoart did a good job in the front as well. Have a few more details in the front as opposed to the Carrera GT, and a few carbon fiber pattern splitter here, a few details. Next, on the side we have the wheels that look very good. The Porsche badge looks very nice, also the brake caliper and the brake disc. We have direction functional, but sadly no suspension as opposed to the Carrera GT. The wing mirrors are in carbon fiber. Also the around the windshield there's carbon fiber pattern. We have here the fuel on the side and the electric charger port on the other. Also, I forgot to mention the center locks are colored as the Carrera GT, so pink on the side and blue on this side. Next, we have in the back the stop lights. They are very nicely done, the Porsche logo. These grills are perforated, as you can see. Also the diffuser, it has a carbon fiber pattern that goes underneath the car. So let's check out the storage compartment first. Let me see if I can open it. Okay, so in here we have carpet, also the luggage, some carbon fiber pattern all over the storage compartment. Sadly, you cannot put the T-tops. You don't have that option here. I don't think they fit, so that's a minus in comparison with the Carrera GT, but it looks quite good as well. Also, here are the two magnets that hold the bonnet in place when it's closed, because it's very light. And the hinges look much better than the Carrera GT. Also, underneath the hood, it's also carbon fiber patterned as well. Next, the interior. A lot of details. I like this acid grid accents. As I mentioned in the 918 review, I would love to have the cup holder made as well. We have this rubber seat belts here, some carbon fiber detail here, carbon fiber on the seal, and the center console is very good. Next, sadly, we don't have the engine that opens. We just have this part here. I think this is the oil filler cap. So no engine cover that we can open. Also this grill, it's perforated, And the wing has carbon fiber pattern as well, and you can open it from here, and it moves in front to act as the air brake. So this being said, what do you think? Is the 918 4 times a model than the Carrera GT? Are the price justified? Hope you like this video. Please let me know if you think is the Autoart prices correct or justified. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.